boys and girls. Today we're going to read a story about the different seasons. This is called Listen, Listen. And you're going to see in the different pictures all the things that might happen in each season. Our 4 seasons are winter, spring, summer, and fall. And we're going to see pictures of each season. I want you to think about and pay close attention to the pictures. See what the trees and the plants and the grass looks like in each season. See what the animals and the people are doing. What the boys and girls and men and women in the pictures, what they're wearing and what kind of activities they're doing in each different season. Listen, listen. What's that sound? Insects singing all around. Chirp, chirp, chirr, chirr, buzz, buzz, buzz. Leaves rustle, hammocks sway, splish, splash, children play. Clouds drift, dogs run, sizzle, sizzle, summer sun. Listen, listen, summer's gone. Goodbye, insects, autumn's come. Plop, plop, acorns drop. Hurry, scurry, squirrels hop. Autumn is another word for fall. Pumpkins ripen, quick, quick. Apples, corn, pick, pick. Crunch, crunch, people walk. Ack, ack, seagulls squawk. Honk, honk, geese call. Swish, swish, leaves fall. Whoosh, whoosh, hats fly. Hoo, hoo, owls cry. Listen, listen. Autumn's gone. Snowflakes whisper winter's fun. Shh, snowy night. Snow sparkles white and bright. Crunch, crunch, boots clomp. Grown-ups shovel, children romp. Skaters spin, skiers glide. Zip, zoom, slip and slide. Brr, brr, warm-up time. Ooh, ah, candles shine. Purr, purr, cats gaze. Crackle, crackle, fires blaze. Listen, listen, winter's gone. The finches whistle, here's the sun. Pop, pop, bulbs sprout. Leaves grow and flowers shout. Crick, crack, babies hatch. Peep, peep, chickens scratch. Frogs croak, ducklings quack. Munch, munch, rabbits snack. Rains fall, pitter-patter. Sparrows gather, chitter-chatter. Listen, listen, spring is gone. Another season has begun. In the air, on the ground, day and night, what's that sound? Listen, listen. After spring, summer comes and insects sing. Chirp, chirp, chirr, chirr, buzz, buzz, whir, whir. Oh, here's a picture of the summer. In the summer, can you see? Look for these things in this picture. A cricket. You see a cricket in this picture. A butterfly. A mosquito. A bee. A dragonfly. A grasshopper. A beetle, a sunflower, a daisy, and a leaf. Did you find those things in the summer picture? Let's look at the fall picture. In fall or autumn, can you find in this picture an owl, a goose, an acorn, a squirrel, a stalk of wheat, an apple, a pumpkin, an ear of corn, a seagull, a leaf? Oh, we've got winter. Winter is one of my favorite seasons. Can you see in this picture a crow, a starling, which is another kind of bird, a snowflake, an icicle, a holly berry, a paw print, a mouse, a sprig of mistletoe, a leaf? And in the spring, can you see a bluebell, a daffodil, a tulip, a sparrow, a chick, a rabbit, a duckling, a frog, a rainbow, and a leaf. There was a leaf in every season, wasn't there? All right, that is all we have for Listen, Listen. I want you to think about what different kinds of things you saw in those 4 seasons and talk to somebody at your house at the different things you noticed about each season, what was happening in each season. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about our 5 senses. I'll see you then.